I can also be exceptional. All I need is a fitting platform to be myself. At SIBC, we have fun-filled, comprehensive simulated model company, business strategy sandboxes, and fashion management studios. Right here on campus, we can experience every aspect of a running company from start to finish as part of our learning journey. The practical and engaging learning method that simulates actual business scenarios is incredibly enjoyable. I particularly love how learning here integrates a blend of Eastern and Western cultures, fuses art with business studies, as well as harmoniously combine theory with practice. At SIBC, we have many opportunities to visit famous enterprises to conduct project-based learning. Such a collaborative, socially oriented learning approach equips us with the ability to engage in open teamwork, push our personal boundaries, and effectively address real-world problems. What makes me most proud is that SIBC has an elite team of business faculty, including industry-renowned fund managers, investment banking professionals, and financial experts who serve as our advisors and visiting lecturers. At this place, you will shine bright. You can turn dreams into reality, potentially impacting the world. Here, you'll learn that where there's a will, there's a way. Persistent effort can overcome any obstacle. Come to SIBC, dream big, and pursue bravely.